Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch to your TradingView charts, maybe to keep your workspace organized or just to see your name front and center, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add your name to your TradingView chart layout. By the end, you'll know how to personalize your charts in just a couple of clicks. It's super easy and a great trick for anyone using TradingView regularly. Alright, let's jump in and get started. First things first, you want to head over to TradingView, so pull up your favorite browser and type in TradingView.com. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you log in with your account. The dashboard might look busy, but don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Next, take a look at the top of the TradingView homepage. You should see a menu bar running across the top of the screen. One of the options there is labeled Products. Give that a click. This part is almost like looking for the right aisle in a store. It helps to know exactly where to look so you don't get lost in all the features. Once you've opened the Products menu, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll spot an option called Manage Layout. Go ahead and click on that. Now, layouts in TradingView are like your own personalized workspaces. Maybe you want one layout just for crypto, another for stocks, or you want to name a layout for a specific strategy, or in this case, with your own name. Managing your layout names just makes everything super organized, and it's much easier to find what you need later. After you've clicked Manage Layout, you'll see an option to rename. This is the key step. Click Rename, and you'll be able to type in a new name for your layout. This is where you can really make it yours. Go ahead and type your name, or if you want, maybe your trader nickname, your company, or any label that helps you identify your workspace in a flash. It's a small detail, but it makes your chart feel like home, especially if you juggle a few different layouts or share screenshots with others. Once you've typed your name, that's it. Your layout will update instantly with your new name. There's no save button needed. TradingView handles it automatically. If you don't see the change right away, don't worry, just give the page a quick refresh or double check that you hit rename properly. From now on, whenever you open that layout, you'll see your name right there at the top, making your workspace feel a little more personal and a lot more organized. So that's all there is to it. Adding your name to your TradingView chart is a quick and easy way to make your trading experience just a bit more customized. It's little details like this that can keep you feeling focused and at home, even when you're watching the markets all day. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags along the way, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I or someone else in the community will be happy to help out. And if you learned something new today, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more straightforward TradingView tutorials and trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.